Last week we left off where we were starting the car and we had a bit of teething issues. Fueling, gauges, all those things. But today we've been lucky, we've been able to start the vehicle. Where start guard? We've also set up the alternator so the noise is no longer there. So last bit of wiring, just whatever is remaining is mostly monitoring, oil pressure, temp gauge, rev counter and speedo. Hii ni gearbox oil. Kwa gearbox oil hapo.
Hii bolt imekulika. Ndio ulikuwa unafunga kitu na nyundo kwani?
Wailame. Miniba number 10 ndio ifanye kazi. The biggest challenge is you always find things along the way that you don't like. For example, at the moment my gears, I only have 4 gears. I should be having 6, I only have 4. I honestly don't know why, but there are normally 2 options. I can either call someone and pay them 2,000 fix, or I can spend the entire week reading about trying to fix that problem. So we'll take the long option because it's cheap, but I'll get to understand the vehicle better. But if that doesn't work, I'll just call someone to do that for me.
Mkitaka dragon fruits, I'm your plug.
Dragon fruits ilitoka. Taka namba hapo chini, taka namba hapo chini dragon fruits.
Uweke.
Ino kitu hapo Alex. Ni mambo ya build. Kama hauna patience, time na pesa, chana naye. The cousin, juzi mnamfanya episode ya walipanda na kadi na gari fulani ndogo, walipandisha Sunny Pass. The highest place huko South Africa. So nataka kumaliza hii pia tutafute lap kama hiyo.
South Africa.
Tufikishe Starlet ya kwanza kufika Ellis.
Kiacha huko yanalipa.
Straight
Yo, it's static.
What do you mean it's static? Chikipse, mama anakuanga aje.
I'm not believing in you.
Hebu nilipe. The reason we're not driving today, the honest reason is we are broke. It's not like it's 100% lack of means, purely because I got quite a bit of money that was finished this, but I started a bike project, so money went there. So got an accident, but the engine was fine. Because the problem is you buy an engine, you miss the carburetor, you miss the computer, which is called the CDI, you miss 1 or 2, 3 things. But if you get a crashed bike for like 30k, you basically have a whole bike for 30k. So you move whatever you want, you sell whatever you don't need, and you can sell for like 20k, and then you have a whole bike for like 10k.
So let me ask, which one is the one that you're building?
This one.
Oh, this one.
Yes. If I'm feeling particularly funky, I may do air suspension here, so that it'll just. But it's really good for like long trips, and then it's a very stable bike, so it doesn't shake. So unaweza simama like for like hours. Please like our videos. Tuko karibu monetization. The more you like, the more we keep showing you this. And this is always a nice weekend project. So if you wanna come join us, please do. Kuja, just come with your lunch. And yeah, we normally have drinks, so just come with your lunch. Yeah. Like us, subscribe. Tutane Monday kwa Space.
Sianda.
Sianda. Malisa fichite.